So I have a semi-shaded part of the garden, which is east-facing, but the building, my house and the extension sort of shade a lot of it. And I needed exotic-looking plants, or ferns in this case, to fill the gaps. And I chose a few nice ones that I got from B&M on eBay. And some of them are the Athyrium niponicums, which you can see here is the painted lady fern. I have two Blechnums, which I'm surprised not many people use these. So I got them on eBay for a few pounds, and they have like a red sort of colour to the new foliage, which I really like. We have the Asplenium, and we have the Salix integra, which is really sort of a full, well, you kind of at full sun, but I also use, in semi-shade, seems to be okay, and still has the pink sort of colour popping off there. But I needed, as I said, like plants that would fill a shady area, and I like to look after them, so that's why they're in pots, the exotic lot. So I bring them in winter, and a lot of this I'm trialing some Brachythecium, because a lot of the growth here is moss related, because obviously the like shaded damp environments, and I notice not many people do this sort of method with moss at all. To be honest, it's mostly just ignored. And in this method, I grow it in a plastic container and I spray it with seaweeds. And it's only been a few days, but I'm already seeing new growth with it. So as I said, I just use this as a sort of understory growth, because not many things grow in this sort of environment. And the other problem with this, it's quite dry, so it's a dry shade. So every day I water this, and as you can see, there is moss growing in this short amount of time. And over time, this will just completely take over, and you'll have like a carpet of moss, which is what I was going for. And also, I was showing you the method with my Antarctica Dicotonia, where I put the pot in the ground, so it sort of looks natural. And in winter, if there's like a severe frost, I could just pull it out. But yeah, just a few exotic ferns that'll fill sort of a shady area for your garden, and I think they're quite underrated. And maybe you should look on eBay and see if you can get some.